Okay, back. So I do have a short order on the footsie, right? As you can see, might be looking to take long actually. So let me send this live stream to my Discord, as always, right? Would be actually looking for shorts on the footsie. Because it looks really fucking strong, right? Same with the DAX. For footsie, I would like to wait out for this or this level, right? Hmm. I mean, DAX even now looks good. I could take it with really, really tight stop loss. Okay, so DAX is breaking a little bit lower. Footsie's trying to turn. I'm buying footsie here. So I just bought the footsie. Looking at the DAX, not doing anything yet. Although it most definitely has a lot more strength than the footsie. Right? Like the move is more smoother, right? On a DAX. Just took long on a footsie instead of DAX, right? And a stop loss should be probably around 8112. I think that's okay stop loss to have, right? And the DAX did not buy the DAX. We did buy double top in a way on a footsie, right? We did buy a double top. But I think it's gonna just retrace and continue going back high. I need to see that bounce on a footsie right now. I want to see them bouncing basically right now. That's a solid rejection on a 5-minute. That is a pretty solid rejection. I might want to flip the switch on a footsie. I actually do want to flip the switch on a footsie. but now I guess it's too late, right? And then moving down. I'm still looking at the DAX. Hmm. Okay, I'm buying DAX here. I'll have a really tight stop loss on this one. That stop loss on the DAX should be right around this low. Okay, I'm stopped out of FTSE. Looking to add to the DAX. I'm adding to the DAX right now. Let me have the same stop loss. Mm-hmm. This DAX is just faking out. Before the move. It could be. It could be. Easily could be them faking out. Move to the upside, right? Like them coming down here is basically that's it, right? So if we do get stopped out, I'm okay being stopped out. That stop loss on a FTSE was not the best. Was not the best. Why is DAX struggling so much? Because you can obviously see that we are struggling with the DAX, right? It's clear as day. It is clear as day that we are struggling with this DAX. FTSE looks like a good buy. And the stop loss will be really tight. You know what? Let me take those chances and have that stop loss really tight. that DAX to move really bad, and it's not doing it. Stopped out of DAX. Wait. Okay. I am starting to like the FTSE a little bit more. Because this could be a bounce around the zone. And they are bouncing a little bit. But the 15-minute on a FTSE, that's where I'm not sure. I should have that stop loss around here somewhere. Yeah, that's a really tight stop loss. But if they're gonna make the move, they are gonna make the move, right? If they don't, we're gonna lose a little bit. That's a nice stop hunt, right? Went up, took the longs. We wanted to add. I'm glad we didn't add. We still have that short position, short order on the FTSE. So might want to hop in on a DAX with 5 contracts. Just because of the fact that it looks really strong, but might do a fake out. Right? Might have just bought a fake out again, right? So be careful with this one. I'll have that stop loss. Like, I don't like shooting like that, right? But I did see a decent amount of volume. So let's see if they have enough strength to make it. The stop loss should be right below here. Come on, DAX. FTSE's not helping. See, it's most definitely not helping me. And this high right here on a DAX. Come on. Just fucking break it. I don't like how this FTSE's looking. But we're gonna give some time to breathe for the DAX. We're gonna give some room to breathe for the DAX. Like, they could go down right now, so we'll have that stop loss right below this candle's low to give them a little bit room. now, what we would like to see in a DAX is for them to come back up to these levels. So around 920 would be really good, right? Is this a fake out? Okay, I might want to add to the DAX standby, like free contracts. I would be adding like free contracts to the DAX. I bought the DAX, moving that stop loss to this low, and if they go down, they go down. Basically, you bought the breakout, right? That's what you should do. You should add to the positions when they break out, right? If you're right, you should be adding on the breakouts of your current position. Yep, that's right. That's what I like to see. So let me move that stop loss at break even on one of these positions, right? On the first one. First one is at break even. Now FTSE should be helping us. But we need a little bit more from DAX. We do need them to push right now. I don't like them stalling over here at the highs. I really don't like that. Come on, keep on pushing DAX. I am ready to take profit, right? I want to see them pushing, of course. I'll wait out as much as I can. But I'm looking to minimize the losses, right? Don't know how high can they go. So, at least the add-on, right? At least we can take out the add-on, so. I don't have a break even. Which I wouldn't trust to have that stop loss at break even right here on the add-on. Still can see them come back over here into this zone. Of course, I would like to see them push right now, but they can always retrace. So that's good. Now I'll have that stop loss at break even on the add-on. That's what I like to see. So I'm looking to take out the add-on. That's a good zone. Yep, I'm taking out one. Like 3 positions, right? So the add-on, I didn't took the initial position out, which I could have. That was a nice push, right? And let's hope they're not gonna retrace all the way back here, which they're fucking doing. Should have fucking taken out everything, right? That was a nice push. That was the push I really fucking needed. But can he keep on going higher, or at least test these highs? Not sure about that, right? This rejection is pretty solid. And it looks like the FTSE's retrace also, right? So if we manage to close it right around these highs, we should be in profit on this session, right? So let's just hope they're not gonna retrace all the way to our entry, which they can easily do. Really fucking easily. And that's the fact I don't like. Come on. Come on, DAX. Now or never. I don't like it. Come on, DAX. Come on. I have to wait it out, right? Like, just the fact that I have no risk and they started to push again, right? I just have to stay in this position because it's risk free and they're pushing higher. Yes, we are at resistance zone. Yes, it was my kind of profit target over here. But maybe greed talking, right? Maybe it is greed talking. I want to see them move higher. So it might be just the greed talking. Because this is around my target. But as I said before, I'm in a break-even position. And they are pushing higher. Right now they stopped. And now I want to take it out. Stand by in a DAX to take the profit. Stand by in a DAX. I don't know, this rejection looks too obvious. This rejection looks just too fucking obvious, guys. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have an add-on on a DAX. Buy limit over here. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'll have... Oh, it didn't get filled. And I will probably have that stop loss around this level on that position. So right below these lows. It's sad that it didn't get filled over here. What the fuck is this? Basically broker. And if they bounce from this level, I'll be pissed. But we'll see. I do have that free position, FTSE's not helping, so I'm still not filled on this index position. That's crazy. Okay, I'm filled right now. I'm filled on this one. I think it's safe to say that I can oh, ooh, wow, what a drop. Yeah. Okay. Let me have that stop loss at 1.899. Hmm. Hmm. As you can see, we've been trying to catch these longs, right? We caught one here, we didn't take profit, got stopped out, break even. Then I saw that our strategy is saying to go long, right? The market is choppy. So at these scenarios when the market is choppy, sometimes you should do the opposite, right? Today we took the position going with the trend. So either way, if we see some profit coming in this position, I will add to it. As of right now, I'll just have it as it is, have that stop loss in place. I still can see them coming back up to 930 level, right, on a 15-minute. So we could be hoping for that. $15-minute candle close. Not the nicest. They can easily stop us out and then go up. That's the fact I don't like. But let's see. Do we want to add? Do we see enough volume? Shit, that looks okay. Now let's wait for the close. Because that's a 5-minute burst, right? I would like to wait a little bit longer, or at least to see them break the highs. I need a little bit bigger buffer before I add to this position. I want to have that stop loss at break even when I add. So, FTSE looks really weak. It's also like stuck in a range in a way, right? So let's just not touch the FTSE. DAX looks strong, right? I'm adding to this position. I've just added to the DAX. I'll have my. Let's have it right here for now. Let's have that stop loss at 904. Let's have it at 904. We added to the FTSE. Oh, sorry, we added to the DAX. Hoping for that breakout. Now in this scenario, I would like to have that stop loss at break even on my first position, right? But they can retrace and stop me out, so. But do I want to have that much of a risk with a stop loss down here? No, I don't. So proper risk management would say have that stop loss right here on both of the positions. So we've been trying to catch these longs on a DAX for a while. We've been trying to catch these longs. Finally, he's paying back a little bit, right? I don't know how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 long positions on a DAX. We've been trying to catch these longs. Let's just hope they're gonna follow through, right? Because we are meeting at, like, right here, right now is the resistance area. Like, they could push a little bit higher. Like, that's the 50 zone I was hoping for. I'm looking to take profit. Let me have that stop loss at break even on the add-on also. That's 22. That's it, break even positions. We are down on this session a little bit. I needed one more push. Ah, shit, they're coming back down right now. Fuck. Yeah, right at the resistance. Fuck, you know. Didn't take profit. Not good, right? Whatever, yeah, stuff. Fucking hell, yeah, I'm getting pissed. And look at that pump instantly. Wow. Fuck, wait. Something's wrong because on one of my screens I see price going down, right? Over here is pumping, so there's something fishy going on. There's something definitely fishy going on. Still have that one position left, right? The sad part is that we got stopped out of add-on. Let me just. Let's just wait it out until we see some profit on this session. I'm gonna be done. We had few opportunities actually to make money. Not a whole lot of money, but we could have been in profit right today. But the day is still young. I'll wait it out. I'll wait out until we see some profit on this session, and I'll probably close it. If we're gonna see it, right? Like, I'm okay being down as much as I am today. Like, I'm okay with that. I'm okay being stopped out and calling it a day. Unfortunate. FTSE is trying to break. I think I'll have that position on FTSE to go short if we get triggered. I think I'll take it on a FTSE if we get triggered on the shorts. But the DAX has just different price right now on different brokers, right? Like 20-point difference. That's quite a lot. The chart I'm looking at on TradingView and right here, and it's just different charts basically right now. Something happened over here because it's 20 points different. Oh, that's really, really fucking interesting. Come on, DAX, just fucking go. Starting to get a little bit annoying. So I still have that order to go short on a FTSE. It is kind of supported here, right? That's the only concern I have. That we might be short in the support. But you never know. It might break down. I'm short the FTSE right now. I'm short in the FTSE right now. Where do I want to put that stop loss? Probably like 815, right? Like probably someone around here is where I want to have that stop loss. Yeah. Man, Mr. DAX. Come on. Now, I don't like to be in this position where I'm long one indice and short the other, right? but the FTSE has kind of thought of its own, right? So he likes to move independently sometimes, and let's hope today is gonna happen just the way we want to. FTSE bleeds out, DAX moves up. These charts are absolutely different. Okay, decent amount of volume coming in on the FTSE. Decent amount of volume. Are they just trapping shorts with this volume? Is this a short trap? That we're gonna see. Hmm. Do I want to move that stop loss to like 2 points and not have it at this high? Of course, this stop loss is a lot safer, right? Maybe I should stick to it. Maybe I should stick to that stop loss. Well, on the other hand, if we're gonna see the move on a FTSE, we're not gonna get stopped out, right? Like if we're gonna see that move that I'm hoping for, I'm not gonna get stopped out. So now there is dilemma, right? Do you want to risk that much? That's like 7 points, right? And that's not a lot, but you can, if you can decrease the risk, decrease it, right? While still remaining safe in your position. But this scenario, I think I should stick to it. That might be a mistake, right? If I had that stop loss right there, I would be already stopped out. Right, so I would have been already stopped out if I moved it. And that's not enough room, most definitely. So yeah. And now look at that, it just reversed where our stop loss could have been, right? But I'm considering it having around a 12 level, right? Somewhere around here. That looks like an option. But also stop hunt option for them to retrace, stop us out, and then go down. So this stop loss is, I think, the safest bet we have right here with this stop loss. We have one free position and one with a risk, right? So let's just see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna play out the way we want to? Or will it not? Adding to the DAX seems like an option. Do I want to add to this DAX? Shit, it was kind of at the resistance. Fuck. Not sure what to do with this DAX. Do I want to take profit? do I want to take profit from this DAX right here, right now? I'm thinking about it. Like, we didn't add to this position, right? And they are pretty high up. Right now they are moving the FTSE. I don't know. I'll just leave it. But the DAX gave us something, right? We saw a lot of volume over here. You know, I'm closing my DAX over here. And probably moving that stop loss on a FTSE. Somewhere around here. Yeah. FTSE is starting to have some volume to the upside also. So, don't know. Because this is the level that they should be breaking, not bouncing from. It's kind of supported here, right? So, I want to see them breaking it. And they're just trying to bounce. So, if this is a small bounce, I'm okay with that. Let them go down. But if it's not, I don't want to be in it. I don't want to be here if they're not breaking it lower. Yeah, look at that. I'm about to get stopped out on a FTSE. DAX is moving higher. We did not play it right today with the DAX. We just didn't. Like, unfortunate, right? Unfortunate. We had decent positions. We've been waiting for this move this whole morning session. And oh fuck, and that is kind of stop hunt level. I did say that. Now am I going to re-enter? Probably not. Like, that was clean stop out right at the level, and they reversed it. So DAX is trending up higher pretty nicely. I think I'm gonna call it a session. Yeah, I'm a little bit pissed about that DAX. Right, we had decent positions. Didn't exploit them enough, right? Didn't play it right because there was scenario in different dimension where we made decent amount of money on the DAX. And I'm happy that I got stopped out of that FTSE, but I would still be looking to short it, right? I would still be looking to short that FTSE. Although the 5-minute bounce looks pretty solid. DAX is moving up, so FTSE kind of bounced from this support. And that's good that we moved that stop loss. That was okay. We saved a few bucks, right? DAX shorts. Okay, FTSE looks interesting. Am I going to take it? Am I going to take those shorts on a FTSE? 3, 2, 1 is about to close. I should have taken those shorts. Took the shorts on a FTSE. I'll have like 2-point stop loss. Okay, maybe. Yeah, let me have like 2-point stop loss on this one. If they come to resize, I think I should be out. That's a valid position, right? but the spreads could stop me out. So if they come back up to here, it could mean me being stopped out. So let me have a little bit higher, just a little bit higher, so we can play it safer. Still, same amount of money in a way. Now DAX looks interesting for shorts too. Might want to add to this FTSE. I might want to add to these FTSE shorts. It looks like they did what they wanted to do, and now ready to go down. If they are gonna repeat the same pattern again, right? Like go down, retrace, go down, retrace, go down. So in the ideal world, FTSE is gonna go down now, but as you can see, it's not doing it. And I'm about to get stopped out. That's actually a pretty big spread. Like I was about to be stopped out right there. That's a pretty fucking big spread. That's why I moved that stop loss a little bit higher, because I don't want to get stopped out instantly from this position. So I'm still looking to. Damn, but the DAX is going higher. And now the FTSE is trying to bounce. So I think that's it with the FTSE, right? I think they're not gonna go down, right? Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. DAX looks pretty strong. FTSE did not do it. I want to short the DAX. I might be overtrading a little bit, but is that the case? Oh yeah, DAX did whatever it needed to do. I'm taking that short on the DAX. Having tight stop loss. Around the 50 level, right above that high, and I think I'm gonna be done. If this doesn't work out, which it doesn't look like it's going to. It doesn't look like it looks strong, right? They could have a retrace. That's what I'm hoping for. To these levels, to this candle right here. That's what I'm hoping for. Retrace back to this level. Because we have a resistance over here. So just small retrace, unless they're really fucking strong and they're just gonna keep on pushing. Which is an option, of course. But I should not be shooting like that. Wasting my bullets on the low probability trades like these, right? We had a few nice setups. We didn't exploit them. This one doesn't work out. I'm done. I have still a few setups in like half an hour, but I'll just probably trade them on my own, and the DAX is done. It looks like the DAX is gonna be done. So FTSE is almost at our original stop loss. I don't like the way DAX moves. Like now it's starting to get a little bit sketchy with these uptrends, and then them coming back to these levels. You don't know if they're gonna keep on breaking down or retracing back up. You might just have to take the trade and see what's gonna happen, right? Because you never know if they're gonna break it or go back up, come back up, right? So come on. Yeah, it's a pretty good like resistance area for the DAX. They might be just stop hunting, right? One more big push and then coming back down. It's an option. I think we're stopped out, yeah. Yeah, it's really fucking strong. The FTSE would have stopped us out too. Okay. So we're back with the original losses. Oh shit. Damn. One of those days, right? Not the worst. Most definitely not the worst. DAX is taking it slow actually. This trend is pretty slow. So it might be a solid one. We've been trying to catch these longs. Damn. Been trying to catch them, and then this one shot. Could have been holding this long. A lot of things we could have done better. Right? A lot of things we could have done better. Like the DAX right now, are they just gonna keep on pushing? I want to see them. I want to see shorts coming in with a decent amount of volume, right? But that's just right now. It's just wasting bullets basically. If I go short, so hmm. Okay, I might. Nah, fuck. That's too late. Yeah, that prediction where I said that we're gonna see another strong push and then them going back down. That prophecy fulfilled itself. And now you don't know if they're gonna bounce or keep on going down lower. And now you don't know. It's basically 50-50, right? You could take your chances of going long because the trend is to the upside, right? But at the end of the day, they might just continue and going down lower. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tempted to go long. But they did not exactly take care of this level. Right? They did not exactly wicked it or something. Now me going long over here. I'm not sure about it because they're trying to push it down lower. Do they have enough strength to bounce right now? I want to see more strength before going long. And 5 contracts, is it too big? 10 more seconds before the close. How strong is the DAX? Yeah, that's the zone where they could bounce, right? But is this the last bounce before they drop? Or is it the bounce for them to go up? Okay, I'm taking that risk, fuck it. And instantly regretting it, but I'll have that stop loss at 40. So 199.40. Think, yeah, I think they're gonna stop me out. That's a decent amount of risk. I guess not today, right? If they're gonna stop me out, yeah. Like they can bounce, right? They can have that move to the upside, but the fact that they did not take care of this level, right? That they did not wake it, did not go there, makes me suspicious about this position. Yeah. So just turning into what a session. Yeah, that happened. That fucking happened. Okay, how strong is this move? Do I wanna FOMO in? Or footsie longs? Or do I wanna build up footsie longs? Oof. Sketchy looking ass footsies. Chat. They can do whatever. It looks like they might even be going down lower. The DAX. They went back to that candle that I was expecting. Went long over here. Was not too positive about it. Should have went short. A lot of volume coming in. I don't think we're gonna see a move, like maybe a bounce to the upside right now on a DAX, so I might be trying to catch that. Nah. I would need to buy right here and then have a stop loss right there, but them visiting this low is pretty high probability, right? So I'm just not gonna take it. But the FTSE, I'm liking the FTSE. How the fuck is it looking? I'm liking that FTSE. I might have double the size on the FTSE trade because it has a pretty obvious stop loss and the entry. Ah, shit. Yeah, I'm adding one more, like 3 more contracts to the FTSE. I do kind of like the FTSE. I'll close it manually. Let me give it a little bit more time. The DAX, I want to be long the DAX too. Just give me a little bit more. I'm buying the DAX here. I'll manage it on my own, or maybe have a stop loss actually around 30 level. Fuck, they're not strong enough, maybe. Around 30 level. Yeah, somewhere around here. Might have to close it now. Might have to close the DAX now. Come on. They have a zone. They have a zone to come back to. Yeah, I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it at all. Come on. That's the place where they have to bounce. And the FTSE is also looking like they want to bounce. So both of these indices are looking like they want to bounce. We are long on both of them. That's what I like to be, right? But they have to play out. They have to play out, first of all, right? So, stop. Fuck it. I should stop. I think I should stop. That's not good. DAX. Do I want to keep on building up FTSE shorts? DAX is just fucking with us, right? It's just fucking with us, right? Oh my god, look at those long positions over there. Basically, should have done the opposite, right? Should have went short there, should have went short there. I'm not seeing it no more on the FTSE. Maybe I should give it a little bit more time, but I'm not seeing it no more. They are stuck in the range. Yeah. They're doing jack shit. Come on, FTSE. Okay, DAX, decent amount of volume. Do I wanna FOMO into this shit? That's a new 5-minute candle. New 10-minute candle. That's quite a lot of volume to the downside on this DAX. Are they gonna sustain this move to the upside? That's the question I'm having. They could sustain it. I don't want to buy it right here. decent amount of volume on a FTSE. DAX also has a lot of volume, but I feel like it's too late to buy the DAX. I feel like it's too late to buy the DAX. The stop loss it would require with this DAX position is just too big. I don't want to take it. Yeah, I could decrease the position size, but I'd rather add to my FTSE. Like, if we're gonna see a bounce, right? That they are a little bit range bound, right? Let me wait out for this FTSE's move, wait for a retrace, then think about adding, right? Because this high can still reject it. We did see some follow through on the DAX, right? After this candle was printed, we did see some follow through. I need to see that FTSE going. I'm thinking about FTSE's stop loss, right? Do we want to have a break even already? Because FTSE likes to retrace back to the levels, all price levels they've been to. They really like to do that. Like after breaking this high, they might come back down near my entry levels and then continue going higher. Or was this the original retrace before making a decent move to the upside? Right now, FTSE looks strong, but I need to see that follow through. It looks pretty fucking strong. But I need to see them continue. DAX is also going higher. We played ourselves a little bit today with DAX. We did. Can't lie. Where with that? I think that's okay stop loss to have on a FTSE right there. Fuck you, DAX. Just fuck off. Fuck off, DAX. Yeah, I'm having that stop loss. I break even on the FTSE. Stop loss, I break even on both of the positions on the FTSE. And now the retrace, right? Let's see if we can survive it. Let's see if we can survive the retrace. Like we're still in a range. We're still in a range and in the open range, right? these were the first 15 minutes of the open, and we're still in that same range, same high. And now that looks like a little bit of a rejection of those highs off of that level. So I would not be surprised if I'm gonna get stopped out break even. I'm not gonna be surprised. This is a zone that they might want to take, this exact candle. So probably I should just let them do their job and walk away. Like, we are seeing decent amount of volume on the FTSE, right? I just need to see that follow through. Like, I need to see another 5-minute candle just like that. What I want to see is just another 5-minute candle exactly like that. That's what I'm hoping for. The close was nice, everything nice. Volume is decent. Now we just have to survive this retrace. And yeah. And hope for nice continuation higher. Nice, steady, controlled move to the upside on a FTSE. And if we did bought the DAX when I was thinking about it, we would be making a decent amount of money right now. But the stop loss was just too big, right? They could have retraced any second to this zone, for example, and the stop loss would be just too big. But they didn't do that. They just went up, and now it looks like they might want to retrace. Right now, FTSE is at the pretty big zone, the pretty big level, right? That's the open high in a way. Could be the last chance to take the profit. Could be the last chance. To take it at these levels. Come on, FTSE. Come on. Now you have to make the move on this candle. Come on. Make the move. Make the fucking move. They're stuck in the range. Let me not forget that. Don't let me forget that. We are in the range. Right? And this is the high of the range. We went long, kind of in the middle, lower end. And this is the high of the range. This is where they get the money, right? This is where they reverse or break out. But nevertheless, this is the resistance here. This is where we are going to be met with sellers, short sellers, and let's hope they're not gonna catch the move to the downside. Best case scenario, right? 5 seconds until 5-minute close. Do I like the 5-minute close? Not exactly. They kind of stopped pushing a little bit. Yes, they're still pushing, but not as hard. The move slowed down a little bit, right? They kind of took a breath, right? Now we are at a really interesting zone. Really interesting zone. Can the FTSE continue? I mean, at this point, they're taking it slowly. And that's what I like to see. We are gonna see retraces, that's a fact. But not yet. Don't give me the retrace yet. I wanna see. Fuck it. I think they're gonna go down and stop us out. To be honest, To be completely honest with you guys, I think that right now they might be going down. But hey, who am I to know, right? All I can do is manage my risk. I have that stop loss at break even, and that's it. They might make a bigger move. Who knows? Momentum is slowing down, but still to the upside. It is slowing down. Like, if we are gonna see a bigger move on a FTSE, I'm absolutely safe with this stop loss. If we are gonna see them like in 40 area, right? 30, I'm absolutely safe with this stop loss. But if they're gonna just bounce around this area, I'm done. Right, and that's what I'm trying to figure out in a way. So what we don't want to see is this type of retrace, sharp one to the downside. We want to see small retraces, some small, nice, controlled moves to the downside. This was kind of bottoming out, kind of pattern, if you want to call that. And we went long over here. We didn't add to the position after seeing it in profit. Right now, this is a really interesting zone. They're trying to reject it. Now I'm really thinking, should I just walk away? Because this is a resistance area. For sure. And maybe they're just taking a breath, right? Maybe they are just taking a breath. DAX is starting to look weak. Not a lot of follow through at this very second. Now it looks a whole lot different, right? Now it looks a whole lot different. I'm thinking about closing one position on the FTSE. I'm closing one position here. Just looking at the previous behavior, right? You should not trust this move. Just looking at the previous FTSE behavior, you should not be trusting this move. At least I feel like it. So I'm closing everything. Close everything on the FTSE. Fuck it, let's go short on DAX, 2 contracts. I'm not in the shorts yet. Not enough volume. Not enough volume. I'm happy I took that FTSE at this point, right? Maybe after 5 minutes I'll regret it, but I think that was a decent trade. I think that was okay. DAX charts are tempting. I just didn't like why I took out the footsies because I did not see them making that move to the 40 levels, right? I was seeing them coming back maybe a little bit higher and then going down and then coming back up. So basically a little bit more of a sketchy behavior on the footsie is what I'm expecting right now. And the DAX. Could have a retrace, right? Do I want to take that risk? Because this is a zone where they can bounce. Like this is a support area, right? People like trend traders would go long over there. Well, if we break that low one more time. Okay, now it looks a whole lot different. And footsie. And that footsie. Okay. What's the study of DAX? Are they just gonna continue on going? Oh wow, footsie shot up. Footsie's going. We might have missed that move. Nevertheless, I'm going short on the DAX. 56 is probably gonna be my stop loss. 199.56. Really tight stop loss, small risk. I'm hoping for like basically for a move all the way down to here. Ideally, right? In the ideal world, we should see the next move all the way down here. Do I want to add? Do I want to add to this DAX? I kind of do actually. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of do want to add. Man, you know what? I'm adding to the DAX, having the same stop loss. I'll have the same stop loss as on our first position. Yes, I know we're going against the trend. But I think that's the right call. Now stop loss at break even. Basically stop loss at the first position's entry. Maybe I should move it on the second add-on also at break even. Somewhere around here. On both of the positions, I think, yeah. Let me have it on both of the positions over here. That's gonna bring a little bit of a loss, but I'm hoping like this is the area where they can bounce. Let's see if they're gonna break it. This is where I might want to take the profit. Come on, are you breaking it? Yeah, that's it. I'm having that stop loss right there on both of the positions. Yeah, fuck it. And let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, we could take profit right there, right here. This is the area where you could be taking profit. Are we gonna see? We are seeing plus in this session. Yes, sir, we are. Fuck it out. We are gonna see a plus in this session. Come on, Dax. A little bit more, no? A little bit more, no? Should have fucking exited there. Can't take the profit, can I? Fucking greedy bastard. Come on, go for that. Go for that fucking zone. I'm closing everything. Basically break even session. Absolutely break even. Absolutely. Just straight up break even. Took out the DAX here. I wouldn't say that was a hard session. That should have been a pretty easy one. That was not a hard session to make money off of. It was pretty easy. We just made some mistakes, right? Didn't trade in a while. So I would say that was okay. I would say that was okay for the first live session in a while. A little bit frustrating that we didn't manage to make any money, but that's okay, right? In the end of the day, depends how you close the day, how you close the week, how you close the month, and how you close the year. Of course, it matters how you close the session, but whatever. We could watch it play now. We could watch DAX just going our way without us, like it is doing right now. Yeah, the DAX is fucking with us today, right? Am I fucking with myself, right? Did it? I was expecting that move to the downside, recovering this candle. Like we were here, and I was like, I want to see those lows. I took out over here after seeing that bounce. That's on me. They can easily bounce from this level, like round it up, round it up, round it up, and then bounce. Like I would not be surprised if they did that. Yeah, I think that's it. We could have made money, we didn't. Right, that's it. Let me call it a session. So peace out. Take care, everybody. That's me done. Okay, take care.